Right away from the humdrum and cacophony of city life, we finally found a refuge at this serene cafe called Oji by the Lake, right amidst the lap of nature near Topsia. With its mesmerizing views and soft lapping and rippling sound of the lake, you will find a very tranquil ambience. It is a humble abode for family, friends, and dates alike. The highlight being the sumptuous, delectable continental cuisine, and my favorite remains to be mac and cheese and pizza. It also has a lovely photo kiosk where you can take amazing selfies. And I will be updating more about this vlog. For now, keep subscribing, liking.